Hello and welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Gina Bellich, and joining me today is Dr. Joseph Ramos. So welcome. Glad you're here.
Thank you very much. Happy to be here.
So you're a doctor, a medical doctor, and an attorney.
Yes.
I know that we probably should understand how that directly benefits your clients, but tell us specifically how that helps out.
Well, you know, the biggest thing is when I actually went back to law school, it was after having testified as an expert multiple times and realizing that these cases are about the medicine, they're not about the law. You don't get in the courtroom and start arguing, you know, CRS 10-16-302. It's all about the injuries.
Right.
And I realized as a medical doctor, and again, serving as an expert time and time again, how critical that was and how beneficial it would be to people with injuries if somebody who was there actually representing them legally understood those injuries.
Now, personal injury is your expertise. So
Yes.
what do you say to our viewers out there who are thinking they need advice but maybe weren't in an accident recently? What do you say to them?
Well, it's absolutely critical that you speak with an attorney, speak with someone knowledgeable about the law and the law surrounding injuries. And the reason is these companies that you're dealing with they're for-profit companies. And I don't want to act like the insurance is the big bad wolf. Right. But the fact is they're there to keep their money. Mm-hmm. And they're not going to do anything to help you to make sure that you're fairly taken care of. And that's what we do. And so, you know, I don't go into arenas that I don't understand and try to be a contractor building my own house.
Right, right.
And we should treat our injuries and our health and the law surrounding our health the same way.
So you're willing to actually look at people's insurance policy for them. I mean, actually give them some advice about that. Explain that.
Well, yeah, one of the things we started finding after, you know, taking care of person after person after person was how often people are underinsured here in Colorado. A great majority of the people traveling the highways today, at least a third by some of the statistics we know of, either are not insured or have very minimal insurance coverage. Okay. And you can't control who hits you. You can only control the coverage you purchase for yourself. So what we do in our law firm is we review people's insurance policies for them. We give them feedback, detailed feedback on their policies and what we would do if we were them to make sure that they're protected. That way you're in control of your destiny should you ever be hurt.
And this is free of charge. So, I mean, if you're sitting there wondering, oh gosh, I don't know if I have enough of what I need, you're saying, hey, let's take a look at it. In fact, you've got a great offer for our viewers as well. So you want to take a look at that? And we can show exactly what we're talking about.
Absolutely. Yeah, we will absolutely review your insurance policy for free and give you our recommendations. All you have to do is email it to me directly. This is my email on the screen here, joe@ramoslaw.com.
You directly, all right.
Absolutely, right to me. Or send it over to our fax machine and it will then get over to me. I will then get back to you by email and or phone if necessary to explain what you have, what you don't have, and what you should have.
That is an amazingly great service that you're giving people because they're sitting there thinking, I don't know what I need. And not only do you understand that from a legal point, but also obviously from a medical point as well.
Absolutely, and we want to make sure people are taken care of. You know, you can't control what happens to you. You can't control who's driving next to you on the street, but you can control what happens afterwards. And we're there to make sure that you're taken care of in the best way possible.
Dr. Joseph Ramos, thank you so much for being with us. Great advice to everyone out there. You really can't beat an offer free of charge with your kind of expertise. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time on Mile High Living.